Welcome to Roam Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Just a reminder that this is my personal experience using the software, so your mileage may vary. Slider Revolution, available at www.sliderrevolution.com, is a robust website plugin primarily known for creating dynamic and visually engaging sliders. While its core function is building interactive slideshows, it has evolved into a much more versatile tool. Users can construct hero sections, carousels, content modules, and even full web pages with Slider Revolution. A key feature is its intuitive visual editor. This drag-and-drop interface allows for easy placement and customization of elements without requiring extensive coding knowledge. A vast library of pre-built templates and modules accelerates the design process, providing a solid starting point for various projects. These templates can be tailored extensively to match a specific brand aesthetic or website design. Beyond basic slideshow functionality, Slider Revolution offers advanced animation options, allowing for complex transitions and effects. Users can manipulate layers, incorporate animations, and fine-tune timings to craft captivating visuals. The platform also supports the integration of multimedia elements like video and audio, further enhancing the interactive experience. Slider Revolution caters to both novice and experienced users. Its user-friendly interface makes it accessible for beginners, while the depth of features allows seasoned designers to push creative boundaries. Furthermore, the platform offers extensive documentation and support resources to assist users throughout their journey. While primarily recognized for its WordPress plugin, Slider Revolution also integrates with other popular content management systems. This flexibility makes it a valuable asset for web developers working across various platforms. Its responsive design ensures optimal viewing across different devices, adapting seamlessly to desktops, tablets, and smartphones. For those looking to create visually stunning and dynamic web elements, Slider Revolution is definitely worth considering.